Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox joining server forever. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal often causes join failures. Next, try restarting both the Roblox application and your entire device. This simple step can resolve many temporary glitches. Finally, always check the official Roblox server status page. If their servers are down, no troubleshooting on your end will help. These initial checks are crucial before moving to more complex solutions. Moving on, clearing your Roblox cache and temporary internet files can often resolve persistent joining issues. These files can become corrupted, hindering proper connection. If you use a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Sometimes these services interfere with Roblox's connection protocols. Also, ensure your network drivers and the Roblox client itself are fully updated. Outdated software can lead to compatibility problems and connection errors. For more advanced troubleshooting, check your firewall settings. Make sure Roblox is explicitly allowed through, as strict firewalls can block its connection. If problems persist, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player can often fix deeply rooted issues by providing a fresh installation. Additionally, flushing your DNS cache can resolve network-related problems by clearing outdated IP address information, ensuring proper server connection. As a final step, try joining various Roblox games. This helps determine if the problem is specific to one game or a broader connection issue. If you've tried everything and still can't join, it's time to contact Roblox support. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your issue and the steps you've already taken. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.